What's up, guys? In today's video, I'll be showcasing Vantix's temp spoofer. They have a lot of vouchers and customers, so I would definitely recommend them. Here's some of their vouchers. Anyways, let's get into the video. First, run the spoofer. Then put your key in. Once you see this pop up, use the clean option to remove banned traces. Once this pops up, restart your PC like a good boy. Once your PC is back on, run the loader, but use the spoof option. Choose Fortnite. That's all. Now you can play whatever game you want with no ban. See ya on the next vid. Good boy.